Mr. Chodankar's petition challenging the order of the Speaker was listed for hearing today before the division bench. We pointed out that the issue otherwise is covered by the division bench judgment which was passed on the earlier occasion concerning the 7th Legislative Assembly, and therefore the issue is otherwise covered, and therefore this petition could be disposed of in terms of the earlier judgment, so that we can then go to the Honorable Supreme Court for decision on law which is pending adjudication.
So, Speaker perhaps opposed this your contention?
No, our contention was that basically the decision which is under challenge, otherwise that entire issue is covered by the earlier judgment which you are aware. Mr. Chodankar only had filed a petition for the defection on the earlier occasion, which came to the High Court. High Court held against us, saying that there is no disqualification. We have taken that to the Supreme Court. It is pending adjudication before the Supreme Court. Therefore, even this issue, since there is already a division bench judgment, the present division bench will be bound by it. So therefore, we requested you dispose of the petition so that we can go to the Supreme Court and challenge the order there.
So, what is the order of the court? Or
Today, the matter is kept tomorrow, because the learned Advocate General pointed out that there is one more petition filed by one Mr. Dominic, I guess, which was not listed, but it is already filed apparently. So therefore the court has kept the matter tomorrow, so that that other matter also could be listed along with the matter.